Today we will be discussing how to stop a heart attack if you're alone. Most of the time, heart attacks start slowly with just mild discomfort and pain, giving warning signs before they strike. If you experience any of the following symptoms, like discomfort in the chest, especially the center that lasts more than a few minutes or comes and goes, the discomfort may feel like heaviness, fullness, squeezing, or pain. Discomfort in the upper part, such as arms, back, neck, jaw, or stomach. This may feel like pain or general discomfort. Shortness of breath. This may come with or without chest discomfort. Unusual sensations such as a cold sweat, nausea, vomiting, lightheadedness, or dizziness. Women are more likely than men to experience these kinds of symptoms. So let's get started with how to survive a heart attack if you're alone. Since many people are alone when they suffer a heart attack without help, the person whose heart is beating improperly and who begins to feel faint has only about 10 seconds left before losing consciousness. However, these victims can help themselves by coughing repeatedly and very vigorously. A deep breath should be taken before each cough, and the cough must be deep and prolonged, as when producing sputum from deep inside the chest. A breath and the cough must be repeated about every 2 seconds without let up until help arrives, or until the heart is felt to be beating normally again. Deep breaths gets oxygen into the lungs and coughing movements squeeze the heart and keep the blood circulating. The squeezing pressure on the heart also helps it regain normal rhythm. In this way, heart attack victims can get to a hospital. Thank you for watching, and if you have not done so already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button.